Hello guys, welcome to Always Learning. My name is Carlos Cacao. So let's talk today about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So let's go. Hello guys, okay, let's talk about possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. So let's see. When do we use possessive adjective and possessive pronouns? Well, we use the possessive adjective and pronouns to refer to possession and to indicate ownership of something. Let's see some examples of a possessive adjective. Number one. So let's see. My car is red. Your shoes are blue. His hair is gray. Our jobs are fun. Their house is big. So if you see, the possessive adjective are next to a noun. They're always next to a noun. Now let's see some examples of possessive adjective. Mine. The car is mine. Yours. The apple is yours. His hair is. The pen is hers. Ours. The house is ours. Theirs. The books are theirs. Okay, let's review, in this case, the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun together. So let's see. I'm going to make a chart here, and let's compare all the possessive adjective and the possessive pronoun. Okay, we got my, your, yours, his hair, its, we got his hair, its, okay, ours, and finally we got theirs. Okay, so let's see now some examples. Let's see. This is a possessive adjective. This is my car. This is my car. Okay. This car is mine. This is the possessive pronoun. This car is mine. Let's see another example. This is their house. Possessive adjective. This is their house. This house is theirs. A possessive pronoun. This is our possessive adjective, kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This kitchen is ours. The possessive pronoun. Okay? And finally, we got this is his special moment. This is his special moment. Possessive adjective. This special moment is his, the possessive pronoun. Okay? So, we see you guys. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. See you guys.